Welcome back to my channel. Today we're reviewing the Robustrue Cordless Impact Wrench, a high-performance tool designed to make your DIY projects, car maintenance, and garage tasks much easier. If you want to know more detail of this product, you may check the link in the description box below. Let's dive in. The Robustrue delivers a maximum torque of 550 Newton-meters, or 406 foot-pounds, making it one of the most powerful battery-operated impact wrenches on the market. This high torque ensures effortless loosening and tightening of bolts and nuts, whether you're removing car tires, assembling furniture, or even tackling scaffolding projects. This tool is equipped with two 4.0 amp-hour batteries, which offer a 50% longer runtime than standard 2.0 amp-hour batteries. The batteries also charge quickly, fully recharged in just 1 hour, ensuring less downtime. Plus, the built-in power indicator makes it easy to track battery levels. Speed control and versatility. The Robustrue features a 3-speed adjustment, 0 to 1990, 2200, and 2800 RPM, allowing you to tailor the wrench's performance to your specific task. Whether you need high speed for quick work or lower speeds for precision, this impact wrench has you covered. Additionally, its clockwise and counterclockwise rotation functions are perfect for versatile tasks. When loosening bolts, the reverse auto stop mode prevents the nut from falling, keeping everything secure. Weighing just 3.74 pounds with the battery, this wrench is compact and lightweight, reducing fatigue, especially for longer tasks. Its ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, making it user-friendly for everyone, whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a woman, or an elderly user. The Robustrue also serves as an impact drill and screwdriver, adding even more value. Plus, with its built-in LED light, you can work in dark or narrow spaces without any hassle. The smooth trigger enhances precision, providing an excellent user experience. Overall, the Robustrue Cordless Impact Wrench is an excellent high-torque, versatile, and user-friendly tool for a wide range of tasks. It combines performance with comfort, making it a must-have for anyone looking to improve their toolkit. If you're looking for power, efficiency, and ease of use, this impact wrench should be your top choice. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more reviews.